Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this out there on the World Wide Web. This is Jeremy Geelan for SYS-CON TV. We're here at 13th Cloud Computing Expo, 4th Big Data Expo. Oh my goodness, we're in Silicon Valley, as is, let's get this right, Murali and then Nambiar. Have I got it right?
That's right, Murali Nambiar.
But much more importantly, InMage is what we're talking. I've seen your booth. It's been busy, but what are they actually seeing there, Murali?
Right, so at InMage, what we are enabling is we are enabling the cloud. So we are enabling the hybrid cloud services. So customers really do not have today a way to get into the cloud. Cloud really presents a lot of opportunity, but there is no vehicle to take their services into the hybrid cloud. So InMage offers the product, InMage product 4000 series, that really helps the customers to get their services put into the cloud with zero disruption to their environments. So that's the message that we are giving with the product, and it's been really good response that we are seeing in the session that we had yesterday and also in the booth. So we had tremendous interest from a lot of people. They're seeing our demos. We have packed booths all yesterday and even this morning. So it's the message. The customers have a desire to actually explore the cloud, take their servers, the services into the cloud, but there's a real vacuum in having the real tools that will allow the mobility to happen, right? And then there is a backup need. So it's not that you're just going into the cloud. There are customers who are saying, oh, we go into the cloud, what about our data centers? Do we get something to keep? So customers are actually really liking the message that they can do a backup locally and at the same time replicate to the cloud and keep their services in the cloud if they want to. And for some reason, if the cloud doesn't work out for them some servers they don't like, to keep it in the cloud, they also get the option to bring it back into their data centers. So that whole cycle of the data movement and our 4000 series appliances that really enable a hybrid cloud solution has been really the corner piece of this show, and we have had packed houses all day. It's really
this is what we want to hear. That's what Cloud Expo is for. So you would recommend it to others?
Oh, I do. I do recommend to others, to anybody who has interest to show up. In these shows, there's a ton of information, there's a ton of new technology that they can learn, share it with others. There's a lot going on here.
A good endorsement of Cloud Expo, I think.
Yeah. I think we've had a good show so far, and we hope to have that same. So there also are cloud as a service, right? Like disaster recovery as a service. People want to adopt cloud in order to offload some of their services into the cloud. And we are the vehicle that allows that to happen. And that has also been a big hit in our view in the show that we are having. There's a lot of interest from IT administrators, people having a variety of servers in their environment. And they're not like, you have physical servers, virtual machines, you have AIX servers, clusters. The IT environment is complex, and cloud provides the opportunity to reduce some of this complexity, but they really have to have some tool that will handle this heterogeneity, right? And that's what InMage was presenting today, because that's what we do, and that's been really liked by the folks out here.
If someone's not here, they're following this along on the web, how can they catch up with you? InMage.com?
Yes, InMage.com. If they go to InMage.com, you have all the information, or you could send an email to info at InMage.com, and they'll get all the information that we have covered here.
All right, so you haven't necessarily missed the boat. There's still time. Thank you so much, Murali, and thank you for following along out there on the World Wide Web.